Welcome back to At Home with Anita Rosner. Today I am not making anything because I made them last night. Candy cane meringues. Here's how it's done. You will need 4 egg whites at room temperature, crushed candy cane, white vinegar, cornstarch, peppermint extract, red food coloring, and 1 cup of sugar. Using a stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment, beat the eggs on high until they become frothy and form soft peaks. Then gradually stream in your sugar. Once the egg whites become glossy and form stiff peaks, it's time to pour in your cornstarch, your vinegar, and your peppermint extract. Then beat it for just a few more seconds. Add a few drops of red food coloring and gently fold them in to create swirls of color. Drop onto a parchment-lined baking sheet and sprinkle with your crushed candy canes. Bake in a preheated 300-degree oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, turn the oven off and go to bed. So they've been sitting in the oven overnight. Shall we have a look? Oh yeah. Look at those. Oh yeah, baby. Just a few notes on these. When you crush the candy cane, don't pulverize it. You don't want it powdery. You want it almost the consistency of coarse salt. You can pipe them through a bag, but these look fine. In fact, they're pretty and they are lighter than air. Now, these are done, but if you are the kind of person whose sweet tooth knows no bounds, there is one more step. You can dip the bottoms in chocolate and then dip them again in the candy canes, but I like them just like this. And I think you will too. And trust me, they are a crowd pleaser. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I hope you try these.